In the heart of the Namib Desert, the whispering dunes hold a secret. When the wind blows just right, these dunes sing. This natural phenomenon known as singing sand occurs when sand grains are of a specific size and humidity. As they slide down the dune, they create a deep, resonant hum, like a distant airplane. Scientists believe this sound is caused by the friction between the grains. It's a reminder of nature's hidden symphonies, waiting to be discovered. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.